Well, guess what I forgot to do for one shopping day? Hey everyone, a few weeks ago, and it's been a few weeks since I filmed this entire video you're fixing to see. We've been snowed in for a week. So I forgot on a shopping day to buy the ramen cups that I buy my husband for his work for lunch. It's something that he's willing to do. Like, he loves ramen, and doing the ramen cups, number one, cuts down on our budget. Number two, the ramen cups have, if you buy them in the cups, they actually have vegetables in with them. So it's something that kind of sustains him until he gets home from work, and then that's when he has more of like the protein and steamed vegetables and, you know, the healthier versions. But it's something he's willing to do. I totally forgot the other day though. So what I did was I said, okay, either A, I can run back to the store, go over my budget and go and get the ramen cups for him, or, because like for me personally with homeschool kids, I don't like shopping more than one day a week. Plus all the stores are like 30 minutes away from our house because we live in a rural area. So what I decided to do was, you know what, I could see it as a challenge of how can I make lunches for him for 1 week on a tight budget. So I'll start adding the clip right here. We actually, whenever we send him lunches for work, we fill a thermos with 24 ounces of hot water, and I send him oatmeal every single morning. The oatmeal that I'm showing here was actually gifted to us from a friend who was gifted a case of these, like cases of these steel cut oats with protein in them. Well, he has to have protein in his oatmeal anyway, so I was like, you know what? Perfect for him. So we added those to his breakfast, and that's what he's been taking for breakfast every morning, and he's fine just doing that until we finish them off. I do add 2 packs for him because he does work a construction job, and he actually works 2.5 hours before he eats breakfast just because of the way that his schedule works. So, and especially in the winter, because like he needs longer to get to work, so like by the time he gets to work, he doesn't really have time to, even when he builds in extra time. So he's just fine waiting until his morning break. After that, it was what could I send him? So here, let me show you what I ended up doing for 1 full week of budget-friendly lunches for work. And that's it for today's video. Thank you to all of our members for supporting this content and allowing us to continue making videos. And thank you to every single one of you for liking, watching, positive comments, and subscribing. And we will see you next time.